For over a century, J. Exley has stood for trust, innovation, and expertise. 4 generations have shaped who we are today, each one building on the last, each one pushing forward. Today, we are agile, precise, and resourced for complexity. We've invested in the very best advanced lifting technology, CAD expertise, and industry-leading training. And when you work with us, you'll soon discover there's no such thing as just a driver. Our team is multi-skilled, made up of project managers, consultants, and planners, professionals committed to delivering safe, innovative, and seamless solutions. And we prove it. With safe contractor status, ISO certification, Achilles Gold, and 4s, our standards are recognized at the highest level. We don't just move machinery. We design, we consult, we manage risk, we deliver certainty. Because in industries like construction, chemicals, and power, reputation isn't claimed, it's earned. Rooted in our history, driving forward with vision, agility, precision, trust. J. Exley, 4 generations of expertise, delivering excellence today and tomorrow.